Eye strain is a really common problem today, especially when you have to use technology primarily for work, or you're just relaxing and you're on your phone or you're watching some TV. My name is Dr. Phil, and this Tuesday I want to discuss with you some ways you can prevent eye strain in the future so that your eyes are happier and healthier. This is going to be an excellent Tuesday. The network cable. Internet slowly. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Now, I'm no doctor. I'm a computer doctor, but I'm not an eye doctor. So, what I'm about to tell you, please consult your eye doctor for further information. But I want to tell you about how it relates directly to technology. So there's something called blue light, and blue light is a higher energy light wave on the spectrum. I don't know the technical term for it, but it does produce more energy. A common source is sunlight, but what I want to talk to you about is blue light is not harmful in and of itself. We need blue light for a lot of different things. It helps regulate our bodies in different ways. But I want to talk about overexposure to blue light, because an overexposure is not healthy. Okay? When you are staring in front of your phone, which produces and emits blue light, or your computer screen for a long period of time, you can actually overexpose yourself to blue light and cause eye damage or eye strain. Some people believe it can eventually lead to blindness, but that's going to happen, as you get older. Your eyes are going to slowly degenerate anyway. But what I wanted to explain to you is preventative measures you can take now to help your eyes last a lot longer and be more durable. The primary way that I want to focus on it as it relates to technology is to limiting the amount of blue light you see on digital screens. The way that I do this is through the use of these. These are not prescription glasses, although I do need prescriptions to see, otherwise I cannot see anything. But these glasses are tinted yellow, as you may be able to tell. And that helps mitigate the effects of the blue light and produce a greater contrast to help filter out the blue light that is coming from my computer screen, and also when I'm looking at my television screen or my phone. This helps my eyes so that I don't get headaches or migraines, those types of things, or my eyes dry out or something like that. I found that I don't rub my eyes as much. I found that I get fewer headaches from relating to computer screens. And although I especially notice my need for these when I'm tired or when I'm not feeling very well, because my eyes are especially sensitive to light. And so I remember one time where I hadn't been getting a lot of sleep, and I didn't have these glasses with me, and I got this tremendous headache. Maybe it could have been called a migraine. I don't know. I don't know if I've ever had classified a migraine before, but it sure felt like one. But as soon as I got these glasses back on, I felt so much better. Like I could focus a lot clearer and do my job or do whatever I needed to do at the time. I cannot remember. And it was really helpful. So one thing that I would strongly encourage you to do is to either purchase some of these. I got these for like 20, 25 bucks. They're not very expensive, but they do make a lot of difference. And it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to, because you're definitely going to notice, things are kind of looking a little yellower. But overall as a whole, you get used to it. I would also recommend, if your computer, or I know especially on phones, on iPhones and Android phones, they have a special setting. I think they call it like the nighttime setting or something, that you can toggle when it goes off. I at one point had it enabled constantly. I don't anymore because sometimes I just need, to just see things in their natural light. But it was really helpful to me as well when I had to use my phone a lot more. So I would definitely encourage you to make sure that if you have to use technology for a long period of time, like I do at my job, or if you're always on your phone more, or you watch a lot of TV, I would recommend purchasing these glasses or finding an alternative way to filter them. Or also, a very cost-effective way is to just exercise moderation in certain ways, as much as you can, because going out and being in the sun is irreplaceable, in my opinion. As much as I'm surrounded by technology on a day-to-day basis, being outside is something that I treasure a lot. And I think that it should be something that you should do to make sure that your eye health and your overall health is a lot better. My name is Dr. Phil, and I hope you can enjoy the wonderful weather as we enter from spring into summer here in a few weeks. Thank you for listening and watching.